Hello students, today we are going to pick up a topic, degree of comparison and adjectives. But before that, we must know the comparative, superlative and the positive words which are very important while translating a sentence into positive degree, comparative degree or superlative degree. So let's look at some of the words like the positive degree may we have got good as a word, the comparative of it is better and the superlative is best. This you people already know, most of you. Bad is having a comparative degree worse. Comparative means the comparison between two people. And superlative means comparison between more than two people. So for superlative, the word for bad is worst. Then we have got a word beautiful, in which the comparative will be more beautiful and superlative will be most beautiful. Then for tall, it is taller, tallest. See, some of the words are such in which you cannot use, like you cannot use beautifuler, beautifulest. In those words, you will have to use more and most. And those words in which you can easily convert into taller and tallest, or you can use ER and EST in order to convert to comparative and superlative. So there is a difference. Then tall, the comparative for it is taller and superlative is tallest. For thin, thinner and thinnest. Strong, stronger, strongest. For wonderful, again you cannot use wonderful or wonderfulest. You will have to use more wonderful and most wonderful. So we are using here for comparative more wonderful and most wonderful. Now after looking at these words, let's see how to convert any sentence which is in positive degree to comparative or superlative and vice versa. Okay, now let's look at these sentences. These are all in positive degree. Why I am saying positive degree, I am not using here wiser, stronger, better or more notorious. This means they are in their original forms, and so this is a positive degree sentence. Here the first sentence is saying Nisha is not as wise as Sunil. We are comparing between two people only, so we'll have to convert it into comparative. We cannot convert it into superlative because this is not a comparison between several people or among several people. So Nisha is not as wise as Sunil. That means both are equally wise. So in order to convert it into comparative, we'll write Sunil is not wiser than Nisha. So Sunil is not wiser than Nisha. Then comes Gopal is as strong as Satish. In this, Gopal and Satish both are equally strong as the sentence is saying. So we'll say Satish is not stronger than Gopal. So Satish is not stronger than Gopal, which indirectly means both are equally strong. Sunil is as good a singer as Asha. That means both are equally good while they sing. So we will have to write in such a way that we want to say Asha and Sunil are not better than each other. They both are equally good. So we'll write Asha is not a better singer than Sunil. Asha is not a better singer than Sunil, which means both are equally good. None of them is better than each other. Peter is as notorious as Javed, which means both are equally notorious. So we will say Javed is not more notorious than Peter. So all of these sentences we have compared into. Now let's look at these sentences. No other student is as wise as Nisha. See, it is in positive degree, but Nisha is being compared with any other student also. Like we are trying to say that Nisha is the best student. The wisest student. So no other student is as wise as Nisha means Nisha is being compared with several other students. So this sentence can be converted into superlative degree and comparative degree also. How? If we try to convert it into superlative, we'll write Nisha is the wisest student. This is the superlative. And if I want to convert it into a comparative, so I'll write Nisha is wiser than any other student. So Nisha is wiser than any other student. This is what? This is comparative. Why I am saying comparative? I am using wiser. And wiser was a comparative degree of wise. So, then here Gopal is better than any other student. This is already in comparative. If I want, I can convert it into a positive degree, or I can also convert it into superlative. How? We can write no other student is as good as Gopal. This is what? This is positive degree. And in order to convert it into a superlative, what will I write? Gopal is the best student. Gopal is the best student. This is what? This is superlative. Now here comes Sunil is better than any other singer. Now better again is comparative, but Sunil is being compared with every other singer and it is said that he is the best. So superlative will be Sunil is the best singer. Let's write it. Sunil is the best singer. This is what? Superlative. And if I want to convert it into a positive, so I'll write no other singer is as good as Sunil. So no other singer is as good as Sunil. This is what? Positive degree. Then here comes no other student is as notorious as Peter. Which means Peter is the most notorious student. And any other student when compared to him, he is the most notorious. So superlative, as I have told you now, Peter is the most notorious student. So let's write it first. Peter is the most notorious student. This is what? Superlative. And now this was already in a positive degree. We can write into comparative degree also. We can write Peter is more notorious than any other student. Peter is more notorious than any other student. This is what? Comparative. So if we look into the first and the fourth sentence, they are just the same. They were having a positive degree, but they were compared with several other people also. Like here, Nisha was being compared with several other students, and it was said that as compared to other students, she is wise. So we have converted into superlative and comparative. In superlative, we are saying Nisha is the wisest student, and in comparative, we are writing Nisha is wiser than any other student. Fourth में, no other student is as notorious as Peter. We were comparing Peter with several other students in terms of his notorious character. So we again converted it into superlative and comparative. We are writing Peter is the most notorious student, and in comparative, Peter is more notorious than any other student. Second and third are the same. Gopal is better than any other student. Here comparative degree has been used, in which Gopal was considered better than compared to several other students. So we have converted into positive and superlative. We are writing here no other student is as good as Gopal. And in superlative, Gopal is the best student. And third one, Sunil is better than any other singer. So here we have written Sunil is the best singer, and in positive, no other singer is as good as Sunil. Now let's look at one more set of conversions in degree of comparison. Now let's look at these sentences. We are having here very few countries are as large as India. That means India is not alone the largest country, many other countries are also there. So if we want to convert it into superlative, how we are going to do? We will write India is one of the most, instead of most, we will write one of the largest countries. This is what? This is a superlative of it. Then if you want to convert it to comparative, so we can write India is larger than most other countries. India is larger than most other countries. Comparative. Instead of most, you can also write many other countries. So in what way we have to write it? Like here we are comparing India with several other countries, in which very few countries are as large as India. So whenever you get this type of sentence, this is in positive. But we are comparing that apart from India, very few other countries are also large. So we'll write India is one of the largest countries. One of the means there are other countries also which are large. So this is superlative. Then India is larger than most other countries or many other countries means very few countries are just like India, larger. The rest of the countries are smaller. So instead of most, you can write many also if you want. Very few students are as good in sports as Ajay. That means apart from Ajay, besides Ajay, there are very few other students also who are good in sports. So to write in superlative, we'll write Ajay is one of the best sports students. This is superlative. And to convert it into comparative, we'll write what? We'll write Ajay is better in sports than many other students. Ajay is better in sports than many other students. This is what? This is comparative, because we are using here better, which is a comparative form of good. So here we have got in positive degree, in which Ajay was compared to various students, in which few students are also just like him, good in sports. So whenever you get very few, you will write one of the, if you are converting it into superlative, you will write Ajay is one of the best sports students. But to convert to comparative, Ajay is better in sports than many other students. You cannot write any. Any means he is the best. But this is not the case here. Then third mein, Shakespeare is one of the greatest playwrights. Here already we have got it in superlative. And here notice this thing, one of the is written. It means apart from Shakespeare, there are few other writers also who are good in writing the dramas or plays. So we will say very few playwrights are as good as Shakespeare. This is what? This is positive. This was the superlative, this is positive. Now to convert it to comparative, we'll write what? We'll write Shakespeare is greater than many other playwrights. Shakespeare is greater than many other playwrights. This is what? This is comparative, because I have used here greater version, which is a comparative form of great. Then Atul is better than most other students. This is what? This is a comparative degree of this sentence, in which other students are also there which are as good as Atul. So we'll write in positive degree. If we want to write, we'll write very few students are as good as Atul. This is positive degree. And if we want to convert it into superlative, we'll write Atul is one of the best students. This is what? This is superlative. So this was in comparative, and now this is a positive degree, this is the superlative degree of it. So what we did, we got the comparative degree of it, in which we were coming to know that other students are also as good as Atul. So we wrote very few students are as good as Atul, because most other students are not as good. And in order to convert to superlative, whenever you get very few or better than most other, then write Atul is one of the best students. This portion of the conversion of sentences that I am showing you here, students get confused whenever they get very few or one of the. They don't care about the sentence, they don't look into it, that whether it is written best student or whether it is written one of the. So make sure whenever you are getting very few, you have to convert it into, if you have to convert to superlative, you will write one of the largest, one of the best, or one of the greatest. And in order to convert to comparative, these sentences we'll write India is larger than most other or many other countries. This way you people have to take care of such type of sentences. Here again I got very few students are as good in sports as Ajay. This means Ajay is not the only best student in sports. So we'll write Ajay is one of the best sports students. And in comparative, Ajay is better in sports than many other students. Shakespeare is one of the greatest playwrights means apart from Shakespeare, other playwrights are also there which are as good as him. So very few playwrights are as good as Shakespeare. Because we have got here one of the, if you have to convert to positive, write very few. Then comparative means Shakespeare is greater than many other playwrights. And last of all, it is the same as the third one. Atul is better than most other students means other students are also there. Though they may be few, but they are equally good as Atul. So very few students are as good as Atul, positive degree. And superlative mein Atul is one of the best students. So hope you people have understood this concept. This is very, very important whenever you get transformation of sentences and you have got such sentences which have to be converted to comparative, positive or superlative. You should be very, very clear with the concept. Hope you have understood it. And if you have understood, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.